Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. Let's connect point C to point M. Angle CMA is a right angle because the diameter of a circle always subtends a right angle to any point of the circle. Since CM is a median and an altitude, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because in an isosceles triangle, the median to the base is perpendicular to the base. AC is equal to BC. AC is the diameter of the circle. AC is equal to 2 times the radius. AC is equal to 10. The area of a right triangle is equal to 1/2 the product of its two legs. The area of the triangle ABC is equal to 50 square units. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.